Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace this Dodge key fob battery, used for different models, different years. Yours may look a little bit different, maybe 4 buttons, 5 buttons, maybe 2, but it's the same key fob, same battery, and the battery replacement is a easy process. The battery you will need is a CR2032, and you can click on the link below to get it online. So what we do, first we have to take the emergency key out. We do that by pulling this button to the left, okay, right here, this one to the left, and we pull the emergency key once again to the left, and we pull the emergency key. Now, as you can see right here, there is a small slot, okay, right here. So what I do, I take the key, I push and I pull up. Once again, I push and I pull up. Let's take a look. Right here, I push and I pull up. Okay? Very easy, no need to apply a lot of pressure. Once again, this slot right here, I push and I pull up. Now, I open the key fob. There is the battery. I take it out. CR2032. Okay, this is a good one, so I will use this one. I put it back. Take the cover. Make sure it all fits. All good. Close the key fob. And that's it. You're good to go. Put the emergency key back. No need to reprogram or anything like that. You're good to go. Let us know what you think. Thank you.